Listen to mommy. Can you point to the word smell? Smell. Point to the word smell. Smell. Very good, Zoe. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good. Okay, we have 4 words left. Can you point to the word blow? Zoe, blow. Very good. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Now we have 3 words left. Zoe, can you point to the word umbrella? Umbrella. Clap, clap. Very good. We have 2 words left. Can you point to the word bear? Very good, Zoe. Okay. Okay, next. Next. Other side. Other side. Okay. Zoe, I want you to point to the word blanket. Point to the word blanket. Very good, Zoe. Very good. We have 4 words left. Can you point to the word moon? Moon. 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 Where? Moon. Very good, Zoe. Very good. Moon. 3 words left. Can you point to the word seal? Seal. Seal. Good job, Zoe. Good job. 2 words left. Can you point to the word turtle? Turtle. Turtle. Yay! Very good, my baby love. Congratulations. What's this?